You are most likely not where you want to be in life. In this video, I'm going to provide you with a simple list of concepts you can implement immediately in order to accelerate your journey to success, and you will be on your way to achieving your dreams. This is what school will never teach you. If you want to become successful, you must first understand the Japanese philosophy known as Kaizen, and it goes back all the way to 1945. Following World War II, Japan was stuck in a dangerous economic position, and they needed a way to continue producing vehicles to keep the economy afloat. Toyota found a way to maximize efficiencies at scale and blow up their profits. This is now known as Kaizen. It is based upon the principle of gradual yet simple improvements. The Japanese understood that tiny refinements made daily begin to create compounded enhancements at a level that most would never dream of. Because of this principle, today Toyota is the #1 automaker in the world, producing about 10 million cars a year. So what does this mean for you? Just like Toyota, you can implement the principle of Kaizen in every aspect of your life. Commit yourself to a state of constant and never-ending improvement backed by action. It could be gradual, even small improvements that over the long term will become something enormous. Small improvements are believable and therefore achievable. If there's one thing you take from this video, let it be that. The first step to becoming successful is to adopt a new mindset. Before you begin your journey to success, the first thing you must do is change your mindset. Otherwise, you will be stuck in the same place forever. It is critical to change the way you think in order to achieve the things you want. Firstly, you must throw out all self-limiting beliefs. Our life experiences are not what shapes our lives, but rather our beliefs as to what those events mean. You can use this to leverage your brain to work for you instead of against you. Having faith in empowering beliefs will allow you to accomplish anything you desire. The best way to do this is by associating pain with old beliefs and pleasure with the new empowering beliefs. Everything we do as humans is to either avoid pain or to achieve pleasure. If you want to start eating healthier, for example, you must associate all unhealthy food to its worst attributes. It'll make you feel sluggish, depressed, fat. You gotta see it as self-sabotage. Then, associate all healthy food to its best attributes. It'll improve your metabolism, improve serotonin production, making you happier. It'll make you look better, etc. This will not only change your mindset, but also turn your bad habits into good habits, which is vital. Additionally, you must have a beginner's mindset. This means you are constantly seeking knowledge in everything and trying to learn from every experience, whether good or bad. This also means that you must take accountability for everything that happens in your life. The life you have is the life you chose, and to develop a fulfilling life will require you to decide what you really want in the first place. Step number 2 of achieving success is to have definiteness of purpose. What is it you truly want in life? Do you want a house on the hills, a healthy family? Do you want to become famous, maybe save the planet? A Bugatti? Why is it that you want such things? Do you want these things because they will bring you a sense of pride? You must ask yourself these questions in order to create a plan of action further down the line. Enter a state of awareness and ponder all the things you desire out of your life in order to find your purpose. Successful people are nothing more than expert thinkers. They reflect upon the things they desire and transmute that energy by aligning their actions into it until it becomes a reality. Whatever you focus on will become your idea of reality. The things you focus on will determine how you feel, plus how you act. Choose what to focus on very carefully, as this focus will decide whether you perceive things as good or bad. The most impactful way to achieve this is through the use of questions. For whatever you ask, your brain will come up with an answer, no matter what it is. Instead of asking, "Why is my life so terrible?" ask yourself instead, "How can I turn it around?" The difference between successful people and others is that they ask better questions, therefore getting better answers. Go for a walk in nature, no cell phone, and ask yourself some optimistic questions, because all the answers you're looking for lie within your mind. It is said that quality questions create a quality life. Step 3. Create an action plan. Now that you have found your purpose, you must create a plan of action to bridge the gap between where you are now and the goals you intend to reach. To do this, you must create effective goals to strive towards and build that bridge to the future. Brian Tracy outlines how to create an effective action plan as the following. Number 1. Be specific and determine what you want. Make it quantifiable and make your goals multidimensional. You must create goals for all parts of life: finances, relationships, fitness, etc. The more specific you are, the more likely you are to achieve your goals. Number 2, write your goals on paper. 3, set a deadline until you achieve it. A deadline is nothing more than an estimated guess, and do not become discouraged if you do not achieve your goals on schedule. Number 4, create a list of all the things you must do in order to achieve your goals. Identify knowledge, skills, information needed, and all the obstacles you will have to overcome. 5. Schedule it into your comprehensive plan organized by priority. Plan each day, week, and month in advance. This will allow you to live with intentionality and become the person you want to be. Additionally, goals should be perceived as difficult but not impossible. Do not overwhelm yourself with too many goals at once. Remember, less is more. 4. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Everyone has heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, and this saying holds true. Be very intentional and careful with whom you choose to spend your time with. Energy and emotions are contagious. Surround yourself with negative people, and their energy will rub off on you whether you realize it or not. The people around you will influence your behavior, your attitude, and your results. You must take control and create your own bubble, only allowing individuals that will help you in achieving your goals. Learning how to say no and setting personal boundaries is an underrated skill that will give you the best possible opportunities, as it will keep you on track to reach your life goals. Think about the people you spend the most time with. Are they propelling you forward or holding you back from your true potential? 5. Become persistent. Persistence is a skill that you will need to utilize if you have hopes of becoming successful. Persistence is the ability to keep going even during tough times. It is learning from your mistakes and growing because of it. Nothing valuable comes easily. It takes a certain level of discipline and hard work coupled with repetition that will bring results. If you do not have persistence, you will be able to accomplish neither. The determination to never give up will allow you to stay focused and not give up in the face of adversity. And the last step is step number 6, be prepared to fail. The Stoic philosopher Seneca once said, I judge you unfortunate, you have never lived through misfortune. You have passed through life without an opponent. No one can ever know what you're capable of, not even you. You need to understand that at some point you will fail. It is inevitable. There is nothing wrong with failing, but there is something wrong with giving up the second you fail. The ability to bounce back and stay resilient will be vital in achieving success. Take each failure as an opportunity to learn and avoid the same mistakes. Every successful individual you can think of has failed countless times and used that as fuel to drive further towards their dreams. So, what are you waiting for? It is time to get started and begin to chase your dreams. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know if I missed anything in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, as I have big plans for the channel.